Right, so we've just put this carbon muffler on this bike. Now this is with the muffler, or sorry, the baffle installed. Let's see what this sounds like. Not bad, sounds a little bit less like a lawnmower, but now let's try it with the baffle removed. So here we are with the baffle removed. It's a little thing here. Fire it up, see what it sounds like. Now that sounds like a real bike. Now just for shits and giggles, you can actually remove the rear of this baffle, so I might try that and see what it sounds like with this in it. Alright, so that's the rear plate removed. Let's fire this up, see what it sounds like. It's actually a bit of a happy medium.